Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2015 Mazda CX-5. And I gotta tell you, I really enjoy this vehicle. Look at the styling. I mean, this vehicle is very sharp. This was a one owner vehicle. It was bought brand new here in the Shenandoah Valley, and that's where it spent its entire life. And if you have not had the opportunity to drive a Mazda CX-5, you gotta get in here and drive it. I gotta tell you, it's pretty impressive. This one is the Touring Edition, which is gonna give you your nice wheels. And you can see that that one does have brand new tires on it. You do get your blinker and your mirrors, as well as your blind spot monitors, which are very neat. You see, this car is very clean. Again, it was one owner. This car, I wish this was scratch and sniff, because I can tell you this thing still smells brand new. It was very well maintained. It was garage kept. You see, looks like the back seats have rarely ever been set in. Again, this is the all-wheel drive version. So you have tons of space back here. You have your power outlet there. You have quick release seats here. And you can see as you pull that, it will lay down. And again, pull that, it lays down. It makes it very easy if you're hauling something, you can just release those seats right there without having to worry about it. This one does have the proximity keys, which is going to give you the push button. You just push that to lock it, push it again to unlock it. You don't have to have a key as long as this fob is in your pocket. You do get your power options. This one does have your power driver's seat. Again, take note of the condition. It is very, very clean. This one again does have your blind spot monitor, does have your traction control. This one does have your duplicate audio controls, of course cruise control. You do have Bluetooth, which is going to stream over to your premium audio system. And this does have your backup camera as well. Of course, you have the automatic with your Tiptronic, which is really nice. You have your oversized center console, of course, spot for your sunglasses. And again, the headroom is phenomenal in this vehicle. If you have not driven one of these, please come down and drive this thing. I got to tell you, the handling is outstanding. Plenty of power, of course, all-wheel drive. This thing, when I drove it around for the weekend, I was getting over 30 miles to the gallon in this vehicle. For an all-wheel drive SUV, I got to tell you, it is fun to drive. Very fun to drive. This one has very low miles, and again was very well maintained. It has factory warranty left on it. At City Motors, we have no processing fees. You can call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. And again, the condition of this vehicle is outstanding. It was garage kept right here in the Shenandoah Valley. It was perfectly maintained, has brand new tires. This is 100% no excuse vehicle. Come down, take a look at this. I know you're going to fall in love with it. Thanks for stopping by.